A story about a little elephant. Once upon a time, there was a little elephant named Eli. Eli had small ears and a short trunk. He loved to play with his friends. Communication. One day, Eli found a big puddle. "Yay, water!" he called, and started splashing around. But oh no, he got all dirty. Then Eli's mummy came over and said, "Eli, when you play in the water, you must remember to wash yourself afterward." Eli washed himself and was clean again. "Thank you, Mummy," he smiled, and he learned that it's important to stay clean. From that day on, Eli always washed his trunk after playing.